Visit us on onestepenglish.com.
Business English. Marketing.
Let's learn English. Today, we are going to learn some words that are connected to marketing.
We will give some examples, so you will understand each marketing vocabulary.
Marketing. It's a way to spread the word about products or services, and convince people to buy. Marketing. Here's an example.
I'd like you to meet my marketing team so we can discuss the project.
Sure. Can't wait to meet them.
Features. It refers to different aspects of the product itself. Features. Here's an example.
Let's talk about the features of their new product.
Okay, what do you have in mind?
Benefits. It refers to how the product will improve someone's life. Benefits. Here's an example.
What are the benefits of your product?
Let me just get a copy of the list. Direct mail. It means sending advertisements to people's addresses. Direct mail. Here's an example.
Are we still going to do door-to-door sales?
Can we try using social media sites to advertise?
Telemarketing. It means calling people to tell them about the product. Telemarketing. Here's an example.
I'm finished on sending direct mail today. Do you need anything? All good. Thank you.
Door-to-door sales. It means visiting people's homes to tell them about the product. Door-to-door sales. Here's an example.
I just want to remind you about the meeting with the telemarketing department later.
Thanks. I almost forgot about it. Online advertising. It refers to images displayed on websites encouraging people to purchase the product. Online advertising. Here's an example.
We're doing the online advertising part right now. What about you? They gave us another project to plan.
Social media marketing. It refers to publishing content on social networks like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Social media marketing. Here's an example.
Can you give me some ideas for the social media marketing strategy?
Yeah, sure. Just give me a minute.
Word of mouth. It refers to when customers naturally tell their friends about the product. Word of mouth. Here's an example.
It's good that our new product is getting popular from word of mouth.
I was actually surprised. It's great, right?
Let's practice your English.
Ready your pen and paper, then try to answer the exercise.
Choose the correct answer.
I'd like you to meet my team so we can discuss the project.
Letter A. Marketing.
Letter B. Telemarketing.
Letter C. Word of mouth.
The correct answer is letter A. Marketing. I'd like you to meet my marketing team so we can discuss the project.
Let's talk about the of their new product.
Letter A. Social media marketing.
Letter B. Features.
Letter C. Direct mail.
The correct answer is letter B. Features. Let's talk about the features of their new product.
What are the of your product?
Letter A. Marketing.
Letter B. Online advertising.
Letter C. Benefits. The correct answer is letter C. Benefits. What are the benefits of your product? I'm finished on sending today. Do you need anything?
Letter A. Direct mail.
Letter B. Features.
Letter C. Word of mouth.
The correct answer is letter A. Direct mail. I'm finished on sending direct mail today. Do you need anything?
I just want to remind you about the meeting with the department later.
Letter A. Benefits.
Letter B. Telemarketing.
Letter C. Online advertising.
The correct answer is letter B. Telemarketing. I just want to remind you about the meeting with the telemarketing department later.
Are we still going to do?
Letter A. Features.
Letter B. Direct mail.
Letter C. Door-to-door sales. The correct answer is letter C. door-to-door sales. Are we still going to do door-to-door sales? We're doing the part right now. What about you?
Letter A. Online advertising.
Letter B. Telemarketing.
Letter C. Marketing.
The correct answer is letter A. Online advertising. We are doing the online advertising part right now. What about you?
Can you give me some ideas for the strategy?
Letter A. Direct mail.
Letter B. Social media marketing.
Letter C. Door-to-door sales.
The correct answer is letter B. Social media marketing. Can you give me some ideas for the social media marketing strategy?
It's good that our new product is getting popular from
Letter A. Telemarketing.
Letter B. Online advertising.
Letter C. Word of mouth. The correct answer is letter C. Word of mouth. It's good that our new product is getting popular from word of mouth.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Visit us on onestepenglish.com.